Alright guys, so we have got a severe thunderstorm here. You can see the rain. We've had about 4 massive lightning strikes close by. Over that way. So, yeah. I'm going to keep recording because I've got a feeling there's going to be more. Probably should not be out here barefoot because there's thunder there. You guys probably didn't catch that because that was distant thunder. But yeah, we're going to see what happens. Right now we are in the middle of a thunderstorm. There was 1 lightning strike in the middle of Cambridge and 3 at the airport, which is just behind them trees. This rain... Shit! Shit! Fuck, that was close. Holy fuck! Okay, I actually had to cover my ears for that one because that was loud. I know you got that on record. That was just behind that tree. Oh, fuck, that hurt my ears. And you can see this road. The rain coming down. It is not even a joke. As if the rain didn't give it away, at least you guys know I'm not kidding now. The road is actually flooding. I'll put a picture on Instagram, guys. Go and check my Instagram and I'll put a picture of the lightning on the map where it hit so you can see for yourself. Jesus fuck, this lightning's actually really close. Let's see if we can get some more on camera. Kind of nervous actually. This rain is coming down more intense now. It's funny because it's not cold, it's still really, really hot out here. Which is probably why this is a severe thunderstorm. But that thunder though, guys, that was actually really loud, so that was close. That was really close. I'm standing underneath my porch, in case you're wondering. So I'm not getting wet in particular, but... Some more distant thunder, I hear. It'd be a lot better if it was night time, guys. It'd be a lot better. This rain low. So I'm trying to keep my camera over that way because that's where the lightning is and I don't want to miss any if it happens. This thunder is not a joke. Are we going to get any more? I hope we do. Yep, there we are. That was behind the cloud. Wait for it. That came from over that way. Look at our gutter, you see it? It's leaking. Okay, I think that was over there. I think. I definitely saw a flash. Definitely saw a flash. So that must have been behind me. Alright guys, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go upstairs out my window and yeah, because it's higher up, might get a better view. Alright guys, and welcome to my bedroom window. My camera is actually getting wet, just a tiny bit. So I can put it down, there we go. Cobweb. I want a big bit of lightning to come down just there, that's what I want. But that won't happen though. Someone just came home walking in the rain. The lightning isn't happening too much as it was at first. My arm's hurting. I'll put in the description the time when there's lightning and thunder, so if you're just here for the lightning and thunder, then you can just skip to that time in the video. So you get a perfect sky, and I don't why can't lightning just shoot across the sky right now, because that'll make a brilliant picture in a video. Two minutes left, well 2.5 minutes left. I can only record for a certain amount of time. I bet as soon as I turn my camera off it'll start thundering again, and lightning. This rain though, I hope you can see it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can see it. You can see it on the window, the evidence on the window. That thunder was loud. Oh, this is uncomfortable. I've actually got a story time about lightning, which I'll have to make at some point. That'll be my next story time. So yeah, spoiler. Alright guys, so by judging, I'm guessing all the lightning has gone away. Go and look on my Instagram, because I will put... Hold on. So you guys, go look on my Instagram, because I will put a screenshot of the lightning map of this thunderstorm. So if you want to go look on my Instagram at my post, you can see for yourself the lightning in this thunderstorm. You can see where it hit on the ground. So yeah, it's quite impressive. It's a very cool little map, and I'll put the link to the lightning map. I'll try and put the link to the lightning map in the description. Don't know if I can do that though. But yeah, judging, I would say all the lightning has gone, guys. I'd say. So guys, I'm close to ending. I can only go to 12:46 minutes. So yeah, so zing, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might make another one. It depends if the storm picks up or not. So yeah, I'll let the time run out, and the video will end in its own time.